DJMTV.
Hi guys, welcome to DJMTV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for everything news and gist happening in Nigeria and all over the world. This is your first time of joining us, a very big welcome. Do not forget to go a step further, like, share this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Now let's take you straight up into the main news. We dey Akeredolu back gidigba as im take talk say make people of the southwest stop to dey chop cow meat, instead make dem go for chicken, goats and others. Na Ilana Oodua group na im yarn dis one. Dis na still DJMTV Daily News Update. As Governor Akeredolu Oluwarotimi, wey be the governor of Ondo State, don advise people for the southwest say make dem stop to dey chop cow meat for their party, instead make dem consider chicken, goats and other source of protein dem, sake of say the southwest dey lose over 2 billion naira daily to the consumption of cows. The Ilana Oodua group don come outside court to say they support dis thing wey be like say Akeredolu talk with their full chest. For inside one ogbonge statement wey be like say the deputy alani in council Professor Wole Adeniri talk, e don tell Yoruba people say make dem begin to dey consider the fact say very soon Yoruba nation go become reality and the people go need to dey consume wetin dey grow and wetin dey train by themselves. So e talk say make everybody begin cultivate that habit of not eating cow meat. According to Maxwell Adeleye, wey be the group's communication secretary, im tok say Professor Banji Akintoye don agree with Ondo State government on top the ban of cow meat for inside southwestern part of the country. According to Oga Maxwell, he say Professor Banji Akintoye agree totally with Akeredolu say the more people dey patronize this cow meat matter, so over 2 billion naira dey comot for the southwest economy every day, and this money dey go to the development of the north on top of meat wey people dey chop. He say this one no just make sense at all. Now this one na make dem say they don join their voice with the voice of Governor Akeredolu, wey be the governor of Ondo State, say make Yoruba people stop to dey buy cow meat, make dem think of how dem go fit dey use goat meat, chicken, snail and other things dem in place of cow meat. They talk say this one na also about the personal health of the people from the southwest, and also get to do with the economy of the region. This one na still DJMTV Daily News Update, wey be like say we dey give you ogbonge news dem and dey take share for inside Nigeria. If you just join us, thank you. Make you don't forget to like and share this video and also subscribe to this channel. So make we continue talk for wetin we dey talk. Akeredolu don call say make southwestern people stop to dey chop cow meat. Now Akeredolu talk dey come few weeks after the indigenous people of Biafra call on their people for the southeastern region, say make dem stop to dey eat cow wey be like say dem bring come from north, say make dem dey chop only the one wey dem grow for the east for them, and make dem dey use other things in place of northern grown cows. And also the northern traders group, they don react to that one too, say if una no go chop our cow, we no go patronize anything wey get to do with una. Now the Ilana Oodua group, they don dey call on all Yoruba people, they say make dem begin think of how to add chicken, native goat, sheep, fish, snails, rabbit, duck, turkey and grass cutter on top their daily consumption, and even for party sef. See all this one sef na good source of protein, and this one e go create jobs for all those people wey be like say go wan go into the large scale production and farming of all these animals. The group talk say dem dey commend Akeredolu over the statement wey he make, say in fact for the guy to even come outside come talk this thing, say e show say Akeredolu dey very bold, patriotic and didn't get the interest of Yoruba people for art. The group also talk say modern ways dey fit dey produce all these other sources of protein so that e go fit reach everybody well. And dem don call on all the governors for the southwestern state to make sure say dem support this idea of the Ondo state government through organizing of training, workshop, and make dem still dey give people small loan dem without interest wey go fit make people go into this business. Now the group also talk say as dem dey convert from eating of red meat wey be cow to other sources of protein, not only because of the money issue, say the thing go also dey create job for many educated youth wey go like to go into the production and processing of all these sources of protein. And sake of say medical people, doctors, nutritionists as they call them, they don even advise say all these other sources of protein they dey very good for our body. Sake of say red meat e dey injurious to the human health. As a matter of fact, e get age wey you go reach say they go begin advise you say make you stop to dey eat red meat. They say, and on top of this one too, doctors dey also dey still dey advise people say make dem dey chop meat wey oyibo people dey call lean meat, sake of say e dey very beneficial to the health of the people. So the group don call on all Yoruba people, both don say dey Nigeria, both the ones say dey abroad, say make dem thank Governor Akeredolu for this thing wey even enter im mind sef, for am to even enter im mind at all. E show say the guy dey very patriotic, e get mind no be small, and this one show hope say Yoruba nation go soon come into full existence. This one na still DJMTV Daily News Update, that your channel wey dey give you correct ogbongelicious news as e dey shele for inside Naija and outside the country. But if you just join us, abeg make you no forget to like this video, share this video of course, and abeg make you hit the subscribe button. Now guys, as we still dey talk, na still this matter of say make dem begin dey use alternative source of protein. We'll talk about protein, talk about things wey go fit replace red meat, wey dey call beef. Sake of say oyibo people say not dey good for the health. In fact, when you don get to a particular age, you suppose stop to dey chop red meat. You go go for lean meat. And Akeredolu of Ondo State don call on the people of Yoruba land say e don reach time like say we go begin dey look at other sources of protein. Say because sake of say Yoruba nation go soon become reality, and we go need to depend on ourselves. So the Oodua group don call on everybody, both farmers, bushers, women association, youth association, students, traditional rulers, religious rulers, everybody for Yoruba land. Say everybody put hand together. Say no, we no want to chop beef again for Southwest. In fact, they say make dem make sure say the thing dey very fast and e happen immediately across all Yoruba land. Say in fact, this one once e happen like this, na very good thing wey go make sense for the land. For my country people, you know say for every idea, every suggestion wey person bring come, some people be like say they go dey wey no dey share the same idea with you. Oyibo go say they not belong to the same school of thought with you. Of course, when the governor of Ondo State come outside come talk say we stop to dey chop beef, most of to dey chop cow meat, more dey look inside. We get goat meat, we get bush meat wey dey catch for forest, we get fish, we get snail, we get turkey, we get different things that people dey feed dey chop aside cow meat. We no dey do like say na only cow meat be the source of protein. Make we look elsewhere because the thing dey injure our economy for the southwest. So people don come outside come say, oga, how Yoruba person wan take cook ewedu and amala with gbegiri? Say e no put shaki, roundabout, pomo, all those part of the meat, all those gwongwo wey dey cause obstacle for the plate. Say imagine all those kind soup, all those kind party where you go be like say you know dey see some kind big pomo meat for inside, no cow head, no cow tail, no cow leg for inside the soup. They say oga Akeredolu, this your suggestion, that's not only you and your family na this thing wan favour. Make una continue, make una do party, make una no use cow meat, no worry. We like the cow meat. Some other people don say, we know medical, all these doctor people wey dey talk say make una chop red meat. Dem say they still dey chop e. Say oga governor, abeg forget all those things health wise. If you talk about the money issue, we fit dey listen to you small, not be health. Forget, nothing dey kill African man, as some people talk. Some other people don talk say, this move by the governor na good one. Say even though some people go still hide, they go chop the cow meat too. Say but e good say make people not forget wetin they get, sake of say wetin other people they bring come for them. Say before this cow meat begin dey reach southern Nigeria, say we don dey chop bush meat, we don dey eat all this snail dey since, we don dey eat different things. Some people dey eat pork, some people dey eat am. Say now wey be say cow meat cocoa, come say only cow na be the only meat wey dey for inside the country. And they say some people dey say they no dey even dey eat cow meat normally, they no even need anybody to tell them, say because it's not good for their health. Why some get religious belief wey dey make dem no dey fit dey chop cow meat. Many people don chook mouth for this matter. Many people don talk, many people don comment, but some set of people still dey believe say Oga Akeredolu, start wetin you go fit finish o. When IPOB say make dem dey chop northern grown cows, you hear wetin northern traders talk, they say no go bring goods come o. By the time they add southeast and southwest, say they no go dey send anything dey come, the thing go dey affect any part of Nigeria wey not be north. So abeg, una take decisions wey go dey good for everybody. Na so some people talk. My country people, you don hear some people contribution on top of this matter. The thing go make sense well. If you sef wey dey listen to me now, if you still drop your own comment wetin you think concerning this matter, this ban on cows for southwestern Nigeria, e go work? You don go Yoruba party before? My brother, if you see roundabout and Shaki, you go hey. Na second this one, let me dey call you, say make you drop your thought and comment on top wetin you think for this matter. Say because this is it go affect people. Reason am o, Yoruba person dey do party without big meat o, and na mostly cow meat dem dey use. So my better person there, drop your comment and thought on top this matter for the comment section for button. Thank you so much for staying with us till the very end of this video. Do not forget to go a step further if you've not done so. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Also, do not forget to like and share this video. Do follow us on all our social media platforms on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and also check out our website at www.djmtv.news. Guess what, guys? From the 1st of August 2021, DJMTV offers you an opportunity to report your event from where you are on our channel. We call it Report Yourself to the World. You want to be a part of this great program? Then please click on our bio, send us a message, and we'll give you details on how to report yourself to the world. Till I come your way again with another exciting edition of DJMTV Daily News Update, I remain your host, Lawuru Favor. Yeah.
DJMTV. People are people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJMTV.
DJMTV. DJMTV. DJMTV. DJMTV.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJMTV. 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 DJMTV.